Hi everyone, welcome to AB Analytica. In this video, we will see how to scrape a website using Beautiful Soup and requests. For this project, our requirements are request and Beautiful Soup. Request is a Python package which can be used to make web request, and Beautiful Soup is a parser. It can be used to parse the HTML page and traverse through the page to get the elements which we require. So first we have to install the requirements. So that can be done by using pip install commands, pip install request for a request package, and pip install bs4 for beautiful soup. Next, we have to import the dependencies. That is, as we mentioned earlier, beautiful soup and requests. The next step is setting up a URL which we have to scrape. So for this example, we will use example.com. It's a very simple site. So this is example.com. We can scrape a web page by using the request.get function, and by passing in the URL. So we will get a response when we execute this get function, and the response is saved in a variable called R. Let's explore the response. First, we can see the status code. So it shows the status code of the response. 200 is the OK code for OK response. And let's see the content. So this is the content which we have received from the page. So this is in bytes format. You can see the type, it's in bytes. And if you need the response in a string format, you can use r.text. So now it is in string, that is text format. So next we will parse the content. So let's have a look at the content again. The content looks like this. It is not very easy to understand, and it is not very easy to traverse through the content. If you are using the web content as a text, then you will have to do a lot of string processes to get whatever you require, and it is very tedious task. So for that purpose, we will use beautiful soup. So first we have to initialize a soup object and pass in the content, and we have to pass the parser type. Since we are dealing with an HTML document, we will give a HTML parser, html.parser, and then we can see the soup object. The soup object is intended like a normal HTML document, so that now we can get a better understanding of the structure of the web page. Now let's traverse the HTML. We can get the tag by giving the tag name. For example, if I want to see the contents in the HTML header, I can use soup.head, and it will give whatever is present in the head tag. While doing web scraping, mostly we are interested in the data which is present in the body. So let's see the body. So this is the HTML body. This is a very basic website with a very few content. So normally the websites have much bigger content. You can see my next video to see how to scrape a comparatively large website, and we can assign the body to a variable. So let's assign uh, this soup.body to a variable. So I will just call it body. We can use the find function to find uh, tags inside the body. We can see that ex- example domain is a h1 type of heading. If we just give h1, we will get that returned. And we can see that there are two paragraphs. One is this paragraph, and the other one is the next paragraph with more information text and a hyperlink. Let's go with finding a paragraph. So this will return the first paragraph, only the first occurrence of the paragraph tag. Now let's see how we can extract text data from the HTML content. Now we will extract the heading from the page. For that we will use, first we will extract the h1 like we did earlier. So now we have the h1 and we can use dot text. It will get the text from inside the tag. We can use the text tag anywhere. For example, I can use a text tag for the body element that will parse every text from within the body. So this is the full text from the page. So we have seen that find will return only the first occurrence of a tag. So if there are multiple tags present, then we can use findAll to get all the tags. In this example, we have two paragraphs. So if we use findAll, it will return two paragraphs as a list. We can see the paras. It's a list. There is only one div in this body, but we can use body.findAll on divs also. It will return a list with only one object. We can access each item from the list by passing the index. So this is the content of the div. Now let's go back to paras. There are two paragraph elements. The first one contains the some text and the second one contains an anchor tag inside the paragraph, and also it has some it has a link. So I'm saving each paragraphs in two different variables, p0 and p1. Now let's see how to get the link from a paragraph. So the first method is from p1, the link is present inside an a tag in paragraph 1. So let's have a look at the paragraph 1. So this is paragraph 1, and we can access the a tag by using this dot operator, or else you can use find also. Find a, this will return the a tag, and from this we have to get the link. So for that we can pass the href tag. So it will give the link in string format. It can be done like this also. If you want to get the list of attributes, then we can use p1 dot a dot, then we can use get attribute list function and pass in the attribute name href. So it will give the list of all links, and we can access the link by using the index of it. That's all in this video. You can check out the next video to see how to scrape a much more complex site. I hope you learned something from this video. If so, please click the like button and also let me know your feedback in comments. The source code for this project and also some other resources are available in my GitHub repository, which is linked in the description. If you have any doubts or need any clarification regarding web scraping, let me know in the comments. And also you can provide some topic ideas for the channel. We would consider it. Thank you and keep coding.